Hey, this is Jeep's Rock. We're going to be replacing the old factory tail lights today. Very simple to do, and the one we decided to go with are the MIBAHE, and these are called the huge C. And the reason why that is because you can see it's got a C when it's turned on. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how simple this is to install. And really the only thing you need to do if you're going to follow along with this is to go ahead and grab you a Phillips screwdriver. That's all you'll need for this whole entire install. It's got the EMC built into it, so there's no other things you have to connect to it. It's just simply a plug and play. And I'll go ahead and show you what it comes like. So this is the box that's going to come in. Gives you a little bit more information about it. Again, it says tail light with EMC, which is very important because other ones, when you do an aftermarket, you always have to have like a little, almost like a EMC outside of it. So it's almost like another wire that you have to deal with. This one you don't. So I'll go ahead and open this up so you can see exactly what it looks like. And as you can see, it comes with some instructions, but again, I'm going to show you how simple it is. So you really don't need these instructions, but you're more than welcome to read them if you'd like. And this is what they're going to look like. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I've done actually the front 7-inch rounds as well as the fog lights already. But it is exactly the same way. So it comes in a nice box. It's got this nice protective covering on it so it doesn't get scratched up until you're ready for the complete install. So really what you're going to do is just remove this when you're done with the installation. And as I had mentioned before, it is plug and play. It's got some breathing holes here. It's also waterproof. And you can see it's got the side indicators as well to stay all DOT compliant. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you what you'll need to do and then I'll do it. So this is all you're going to do is this tail light has 4 screws in it. The only 2 screws you're going to have to deal with are the ones on the inside. And again, you'll just take your Phillips screwdriver, you'll unscrew those, you'll unplug the one that's the factory plug and plug this in. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that, but again, that's how simple it is. Go ahead and grab your Phillips screwdriver and you're going to go ahead and remove these 2 screws. Take the screws out. Put them to the side because you will reuse them a little bit later. And as you take this out, don't worry, there's a lot of wire from the factory still in here. So as you can see, this is how it's connected. You're going to go ahead and just remove that connector from the factory connector. And take that out, set that to the side. Go ahead and grab your new headlight. Again, you're looking for the one that has the C, so the C is going to be inside just in case you need to know which one's which. Go ahead and reconnect that. So I can see that's just going to connect in. Once it's connected, go ahead and line it back up. Make sure it's nice and flush. Take your screws from your original installation. Go ahead and put them back in. This one's going to be here at the very bottom. Make sure they're lined up. Put them in. Go ahead and make sure it's all nice and flush. And then all you got to do is go ahead and take that off. And that's all you got to do. So you'll do that one more time and then you'll be done with the installation. Thanks again for watching Jeep's Rock, and we'll see you out on the trail or we'll see you out on the road.